Hello friends, in this session of mathematics, we will study the chapter 14 statistics. So already we know in the 9th standard we have studied about the mean, that if x1, x2, x3 up to so on, xn are n observations are there. So we have n observations x1, x2, x3, xn. Then its mean was given by x bar equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to so on xn by n. In the another way we can write x bar equals to sigma I equals 1 to n xi upon n. And so this is the formula for the mean for the ungrouped data. Now suppose here it is group data is given, x1 is f1 times, x2 occurs f2 times, x3 occurs f3 times, such a way xn occurs fn times. Then we have studied f1 into x1, we were taking f2 into x2, f3 into x3 and fn into xn. And so its mean was given by x bar equals to f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus up to so on fn xn by f1 plus f2 plus up to so on fn. And so these we were telling x bar equals to sigma fi into xi upon sigma fi. So this was for the group data. Now suppose here one more group data is given. It is divided into group 10 to 25, 2 observation, 25 to 40, 3 observation, 40 to 55, 7 observation, 55 to 70, 6 observation, 70 to 85, 6 observation, 85 to 100, 6 observation. So earlier there was a single number as xi is given, so we were directly taking xi into fi. But now instead of single number, it is continuous group are given 10 to 25, 25 to 40. So first we need to decide xi. So to decide the xi, we will take the xi will be the central value of the class, and central value of the class already we have studied that the upper limit plus lower limit by 2. So first we will see the method of the direct finding mean, and so in that first we will see the direct method of the mean. So for the direct method we have the classes 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100, and its frequencies are given 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6. Now we find out class value, central value. Then central value means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 10 plus 25, 35. 35 divided by 2 we do 17.5. 25 plus 40, 65. 65 divided by 2 we do 32.5. Then 40 plus 55, 95. 95 divided by 2 we do 47.5. Then 55 plus 70, 125, its half will be 62.5. 70 plus 85, 155, its half will be 77.5. And 85 plus 100, 185, its half will be 92.5. Now we take fi into xi means frequency and xi multiplication. So 17.5 into 2, 35. 32.5 into 3, 97.5. 47.5 into 7, 332.5. 62.5 into 6, 375. 77.5 into 6 465 and 92.5 into 6 555. Now we know that the mean formula is x bar equals to sigma fi xi upon sigma fi. So sigma fi xi means the fi xi addition. So these values we add, then we get 1860. And sigma fi means fi is addition, frequency addition. So frequency total is the 30. And so 1860 divided 30 we take, then answer is the 62. Let's see one more example. So here it is given that number of plants in the 20 house of the society. So total frequency we have 20, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 4, 5, 9, 9, 6, 15, 15, 2, 12, 17, 3, 20. Now between 0 to 2 plants search 1 family, 2 to 4 plants 2 family, 4 to 6 plants 1 family, 4, 6 to 8 plants 5 family, 8 to 10 plants 6, 10 to 12 plants 2, 12 to 14 plants 3 family. So first we find out central value of each class. So 0 plus 2 2 by 2 1, 2 plus 4 6 by 2 3, 10 by 2 5, 14 by 2 7, 18 by 2 9, 22 by 2 11, and here 13 26 by 2. Now fi into xi we take 1 1s are 1, 2 3s are 6, 5 1s are 5, 7 5s are 35, 6 9s are 54, 22 and 39. So we add this, then 1 6 7 5 12, 12 5 17, 17 and 4 21, 2 23 and 9 32. Raised to 3, 3 3 6, 6 5 11, 11 2, 13, 13 3 1, 60 C. And so sigma fi xi we have 162, and sigma, so mean formula we have sigma fi xi into sigma fi. So 162 upon 20 we divide it, then 162 divide 20 we do, and 28 is 162 0, and so answer is 8.1. Now we will see the assume mean method. So earlier in the direct method the numbers are very complicated, then multiplication becomes hard and it consumes the time. So direct mean method becomes a little hard. So another method to find out mean of the data is assume mean method. So again class and frequencies are provided in the question. We will find out the class mark central value, that is 10 plus 25 by 2, so 17.5, 32.5, 47.5, 62.5, 77.5, 92.5 as earlier. Now in this method according to name assume mean. So from given xi values or from xi values we will select any value as the mean, and that is we will say assume mean A. So here we have selected 47.5 as the A. And so now we will find out deviation from the mean from the xi's, means di equals to xi minus A. So difference of the xi from the assumed mean we will find out, and so 17.5 minus 47.5, that is minus 30, 32.5 minus 47.5, that is minus 15, 47.5 minus 47.5 0, 62.5 minus 47.5 15, 77.5 minus 47.5 30, and 92.5 minus 47.5 45. Now we will find out multiplication of fi into di. So 2 into minus 30 minus 60, 3 into minus 15 minus 45, 7 multiply 0 0, 6 15s are 90, 6 30s are 180, 6 45 are 270. And so the positive values answer addition is a 540, and the negative values addition is the minus 105, and so the total addition is the 435. So sigma FIDI equals to 435, and the total frequency is the 30. Now we have the assuming formula is there, x bar equals to a plus sigma FIDI upon sigma Fi. So a value we have 47.5, so 47.5 plus 435 upon 30. So 435 upon 30 we do, then we get the 14.5, and 47.5 plus 14.5 we add, then answer is the 62. Let's we see one more sum by assuming method. So classes are given 100 to 120, its frequency is 12, 120 to 140, its frequency is 14, 140 to 160, its frequency is 8, 160 to 180, its frequency is 6, 180 to 200, frequency is 10. So first we will calculate central value xi. So 100 plus 120, 220 divided by 2, it is 110. Then 120 plus 140, 260 divided by 2, 130. So we can see each class increase by 20, and so the central value also will increase by 20. So 150, 170 and 190. Now as per method we will select mean from given informations. So xi are given, from that we select a as 150. Then here 110 minus 150, that is minus 40. 130 minus 150, that is minus 20. 150 minus 150 is 0. 170 minus 150 20. 190 minus 150 is the 40. And so Fi into Di we take, then 12 4s are 48, so 480. 14 2s are minus 280, 8 0s are 0, 120 and 400. So the positive values addition is the 520, and here addition is the 0, 6, carry 1, 5 2 7. So minus 760, and so we have sigma FIDI is minus 760 plus 520, which will be 0 or minus 240. Now total frequency we have 26, 8, 34, 40 and 50. So we submit in the formula x bar equals to a plus sigma FIDI upon sigma Fi. So a we have 150, and sigma FIDI we have minus 240 upon sigma Fi 50. So 240 divide 50 we do, then 50 4s are 200, 400 and 4.8. So it is 150 minus 4.8. So 150 minus 4.8 we do, then it is 145.2. Now we will see the step deviation method. When the values are very complicated and classes are having very large value, then in the assume mean method and direct mean method we have the multiplication problem for the large values. So to reduce that, we can divide the deviation which we have found in the assume mean method xi minus a by the class length h. Then it reduces to very small number, and then easily we can multiply. So again here classes are given same, frequencies are same, central values are also same, and so here ui xi minus a, so a I have taken 47.5, so 17.5 minus 47.5, it is minus 30, minus 30 divided by 15, it is minus 2, 32.5 minus 47. Minus 15. Minus 15 divided by 15, it is minus 1. Here 47.5 minus 47.5, 0 divided 15, 0. Here 62.5 minus 47.5, 15 divided 15, 1. 77.5 minus 47.5, 30. 30 divided 15, 2. And 92.5 divided minus 47.5, 45. 45 divided 15, that is a 3. Now we will multiply fi into ui. So 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 7 into 0 0, 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 12, 6 3 are 18. So we take the positive values addition, that is the 36, negative values addition is the minus 7. And so finally sigma fi ui we have 36 minus 7, 29. And the total frequency we have 30. So here step deviation method formula we have x bar equals to a plus sigma fi ui sigma fi into h. And so we submit the value. A value we have 47.5, sigma fi ui 29, sigma fi 30 into 15. So we simplify, and 29 by 2, so 47.5 plus 14.5, that is the 62. Let's see one more example. So classes are given 100 to 150, frequency 4, 150 to 200, frequency 5, 200 to 250, frequency 12, 250 to 300, frequency 2, 300 to 350, frequency 2. So first we calculate the xi, the class value. So 100 to 100 and 150 addition 250. 250 divided by 2 we do, then we get 125. Now here classes are increased by 50-50, so this value we increase by 50-50, then 175, then 225, then 275 and 325. Now we are calculating ui, so it is xi minus a upon h. So 12 is the largest frequency, so its opposite xi we will take a, mostly we will select largest frequency, so it will convert into 0. And so here 125 minus 225, here h equals to 50 is there, so it is 100, 100 divided 50 is there, minus 100 divided 50 is there, so it is minus 2. 175 minus 225 minus 50 divided 50 is minus 1. 225 minus 225 0. 275 minus 225 50 divided 51. And 325 minus 225 100. 100 divided 52. Now we take fi multiply ui. So 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 5 into minus 1 minus 5. 12 into 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. And so the negative values addition minus 13 and positive values addition 6. And so we have sigma fi ui. It is minus 13 plus 6 will be minus 7. While the frequency addition we have 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 12 21, 4 25. And so these values we submit in the formula x bar equals to a plus sigma fi ui upon sigma fi into h. So a value we have 225 plus sigma fi ui minus 7 upon 25 into h is the 50. So 25 2s are, and so 225 minus 14 we do, then it is 211 is the mean